Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Pat Taste Performance. It's going to be a pretty quick and brief video today. I picked up a Craftsman lawnmower yesterday on the way home from work for $40 running and driving. And believe it or not, I have to service it, and I have this thing sold for $140. The guy's supposed to come here for 5 p.m. So I sold the lawnmower to a guy last year. So, ironically, I know it really doesn't need much. I'm really probably just going to sharpen the blade, put a new air filter on it, and send it. The oil still looks clear. So, we're just going to leave that be. I don't got time for that today. Yeah, see, look. Nuevo. Alright, so yesterday was a really good day. Yesterday we sold a package deal, right? And while we were at delivering the package deal, do we have that? Can you guys see that? No, you can't. While we were out delivering the package deal, my wife's like, can we put another one together? Because there were people that were still wanting package deals. And I says, well, we need a backpack blower. She says, I'll find one. I says, I've been looking. Well, guess what? Look at this bad boy. Picked this up, $770, one of the biggest that they make, in beautiful condition. And this lawnmower with electric start for $200. This runs and drives. This hasn't been used in 2 years. The tank seems a little empty, but what we didn't know is that, guess what, guys? Electric start. So if you don't mind real quick, I'm going to try and set you guys up some sort of way. Just to see if I could just slap this in real quick. You know, I'll throw you guys in the truck. Charge this battery overnight for a couple of hours. It's from 2016, so you know the lawnmower is relatively new. And I'm just going to see if the electric start works. If the electric start works, this thing's fucking jackpot. Electric start works, this is easily a $300 lawnmower. That's what I get for electric start lawnmowers. $300. Sorry if I'm shaking you guys around. I'm a little bamboozled today. Alright, so, and if this battery is no good, I have a good battery that we could test, but that's also charging too, because I don't use that all the time. What the heck is this? You don't know what that is. Alright, so let's stick the key in. Oh, you have to cut it loose. Hold on. Take the key. Stick it in here. Hold this down. Well, how does this work? You just push this in? I really don't know how this works. Usually there's a key that you can twist. Let's see, I guess you have to push this in. I don't know, I've never... Alright, so there's nothing. I don't know how this works. Do you just stick it in, and then once it starts, you pull it out? We're definitely going to have to YouTube this. And then what is this? Oh, this is the charging port. Right? This is a fuse. Just make sure the fuse isn't blown. You guys can't see this, I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm just trying to... I had a really good day picking. Yep, fuse is good. Electric start. Squeeze bleed. We're going to give this one more try. Nope, nothing. Alright, so I gotta do some Googling. This is a TB 280 self-propelled 3-in-1. Alright, let's get this out. But let's go to here. This is really why I'm videotaping. Today was a really good day for picking. Check this out. There's junk in the trunk. Look at this. Can you guys see this? Here we go. Troy built self-propelled lawnmower with a bag. We got a Craftsman with electric start, wheel drive self-propelled with the bag, and a Greenworks electric trimmer, really not a big deal. And we have another Troy built self-propelled with the bag. So everything runs. Well, look, in this Troy built here that I got came with the side discharge chute. It was even nice to get me a spark plug. So let me unravel this marvelous collection so you guys know that I really do squeeze it in here. Now, for the first part, I know everything should run and drive. One of them I picked up at 6 o'clock in the morning before work. So I have no idea. I didn't test it. The lady was very nice. So at least, I'm going to try and get 225. Let's see, this thing's been bouncing around all day. Alright guys, so that's really a wrap. So let's see, needs a wheel, needs a service, we'll paint it. If I get the electric start going, we're looking at $250, $300, if not $200. This thing is literally brand new, $200 at a minimum. We'll have to see what they go for new. You know, this Troy built doesn't have anything on there, but it's pretty good, has the Briggs on there. And here's the newest one, the TV 230. This one could probably still be bought at Lowe's. So I'm going to try and get 225, 200. Echo backpack blower is going to end up going in a package deal that will not be sold individually, but if it was, that's $350. And this one here with the electric start, we got to get this going. Get the electric start going, it's a nice payday for us. So, yeah, let me see if I'm in this shot real quick. Yeah, so gonna have another busy week. A lot of razzle dazzle going on. My main goal is to get that Craftsman from the jackpot lot number 2 going. Because remember, that ran and drive, but the self-propel didn't work. So I got that mechanism in. We're gonna have to service it. We're gonna have to paint the handles. I might actually touch up that deck. It's a little rusty, so we'll see. But once we get that going, then we can write that lot off and get that profit going. As you guys can see, I do a lot of things. I can't be hunkering down on one project. There's no way to turn a serious profit by just hunkering down. I mean, like last week we did $1,500 in just 5 days, and then in less than a week we sold 2 package deals, right? The homeowners package deals. So we're moving. We're in the spring sprint. So with this type of time, what I like to do, sometimes I like to pay a little bit more money for a running machine instead of trying to futz with it and mess with it, throw a lot of time into it, because time is money too. So anyway, so I will see you guys on the next episode of Pat Taste Performance. If you guys find this, helpful, good, bad, positive, feel free to comment. Definitely do subscribe for more how-to videos and how I flip and fix machines. A couple restorations going. I picked up the paint. Well, actually, I did. My wife picked up the paint for that Bluebird Thatcher. So we're in like the thatching sprint as well. So that's going to be one of my projects to get this done as well and get that up for sale. I'm thinking about buying a stump grinder. So as soon as I actually get done with you guys, I got to service that Craftsman. And I'm going to do my research on the stump grinder and we'll go from there. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next episode of Pat Taste Performance.